Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Toast POS for your restaurant business to manage orders, payments, and operations, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete installation and registration. Step 1. Visit the Toast website at toasttab.com and click on Get Started or Contact Toast Sales to schedule a demo and discuss your restaurant's needs. Step 2. Work with a Toast representative to select the right hardware and software package for your restaurant size and type. Toast offers various POS terminals, kitchen display systems, and handheld devices. Step 3. Complete the Merchant Services application to set up payment processing. You'll need to provide business details, tax information, and banking details for deposit transfers. Step 4. Once approved, schedule an installation date with Toast. Professional installation is typically included and ensures proper setup of hardware and network connections. Step 5. On installation day, Toast technicians will set up your POS terminals, connect them to your network, and install any kitchen display systems or other hardware components. Step 6. Create your Toast account by setting up admin credentials. You'll receive login information to access the Toast dashboard online. Step 7. Build your menu in the Toast dashboard. Add all menu items including names, descriptions, prices, modifiers, and categories. Organize items logically for easy ordering. Step 8. Configure your restaurant settings, including operating hours, tax rates, service charges, and table layouts if you have table service. Step 9. Set up employee accounts with unique PINs. Assign roles and permissions based on job functions, such as server, bartender, manager, or admin. Step 10. Train your staff on using the Toast system and process several test orders to ensure everything is working correctly before going live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.